What is accounts receivable aging? Accounts receivable aging is an accounting method used to track how long customer payments have been unpaid. In simple words, it shows how old the unpaid invoices are. Businesses use accounts receivable aging to understand which customers have paid on time and which payments are overdue. It organizes unpaid bills into different time periods. Common aging categories include 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, more than 90 days overdue. Each category shows how late the payment is. The longer an invoice remains unpaid, the higher the risk that the business may not receive the money. Accounts receivable aging helps companies manage cash flow better. It allows businesses to follow up with customers who have overdue payments. Companies also use aging reports to estimate bad debts. Bad debts are amounts that may never be collected. For example, if many invoices fall into the over 90 days category, the company may expect some losses. Managers use the aging report to make credit decisions. They may stop giving credit to customers who regularly pay late. Accounts receivable aging is also important for preparing accurate financial statements. It helps businesses calculate allowance for doubtful accounts. In simple terms, accounts receivable aging shows how long customers have taken to pay their bills. Easy way to remember. Accounts receivable aging means checking how old unpaid customer payments are.